Mix and go smoothie made in a minute with this powerful personal blender. Alright, hey GlamFam, welcome back to the channel, besties. I wanted a little blender, personal blender, so that I could take to work. I found this one at Marshall's for $40, a little bit pricey, but yeah, we're gonna unbox it. We get smoothies in seconds, and you can carry it with you as a stylish 24-ounce cup that's travel ready, a sporty snap lid, and a carrying loop. Silicone sleeve insulates cold drinks, and high-speed 400-watt motor crushes ice with ease and has a fresh look. So let's get into the unboxing. They also say it stows away easily, so I don't think it's another gadget that you have to put on your countertop, because who wants to have things on countertop? Nobody, baby. All right, so this is big. This is a lot. So you drink and go. It's already, I could have blend something in it, but all right. So this is what it's looking like. This probably weigh like a pound and a half, so it's not really heavy. What is this? Oh, I'm like, what? So security. Screw, and then you put it here. Okay. All right. And then this would be the cover that you would use on the cup if you're going to take it with you on the road. So let's try it out real quickly. We're going to make a little smoothie here. We're going to be using almond milk, strawberries, blueberries, and dates for sweetening. Yeah. And guys, it does the job pretty well, so I think I'm gonna be pleased.
It is.
Oh, it is good. I think about 4 of us had a sip from this, or a more than a sip, a few sips.
Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.